It's not the Osmo, is it? Did you order this morning? I still don't understand why Amazon has such a big box for such a small item. Okay.
Yes! This is the DJI Osmo. It is a gimbal for your iPhone.
For the bike, we need to get some fuel. That's our biggest issue. Can I see myself? I can't see myself. That filled up quite quick. Okay, turn it on. Turn you on. Okay, the lights are on. Come on. Come on, baby, come on, baby.
I found over the years that people just want to put you into a bracket, into a box, where they're like, you're a graphic designer, you're a product designer, and we're just artists. I love the Renaissance period where somebody could 1 minute be doing a sculpture, next minute they will be an engineer, they will be painting. As a designer, all you're really trying to do is understand the world, right?
Understand your surroundings.
Exactly, and to bring that to other people and to show them how you see the world, and if they also see the world like that, then you have a successful product. You get something that people want. However, if you put yourself into just one bracket and say, you know what, I'm just a graphic designer, you're stuck. When someone makes a YouTube video, you think, oh no, that's out of the box for me.
Mm-hmm.
We made a bike, we built a store, we're doing t-shirts, shirts, and we also make these really great intimate personal videos for couples, where it's a one-time event in their life and we get to be there, and we only do very few of these nowadays, right? In the old days, that's kind of how our heritage started. It was making films for couples, weddings, but we still do it till this day because it's fun.
All these impulse rules I have to deal with.
Yeah, flight has been delayed.
Every time I see the face of my demons.
Thank you, guys. Bride doesn't want to be part of my vlog, but the groom can be. Day 2 of the shoot. Just waiting for the couple to get ready. She's ready. First time.
What? She's ready first time.
If you don't hear from me again, I didn't make it up. Probably won't make it back down. I think I'm going to change my job. Guess what I'm carrying? I tried to put that all in the backpack. It's about 30 kilos. I'm taking one of the 5Ds out. did not enjoy the journey up, but take a look at that view. It was well worth it.